Tajrish Street is one of the most famous and lively streets in northern Tehran. It's located in the heart of the Tajrish neighborhood and is surrounded by cultural, historical, and commercial attractions. Here's everything you need to know about it. Tajrish Street runs through the center of Tajrish Square, connecting different parts of northern Tehran. It's close to Valiazar Street, the longest street in Tehran, and leads to areas like Darband and Niavaran. What makes Tajrish special? 1. Tajrish Bazaar. This traditional bazaar is one of the highlights of the area. You'll find everything here, from fresh fruits and spices to handicrafts and clothing. It's a mix of old-school Persian culture and modern shops, making it a must-visit for locals and tourists. 2. Imamzadeh Salah Shrine. This religious site is located near Tajrish Square. It's a peaceful and spiritual place with stunning architecture. Many people come here to pray or just take in the serene atmosphere. 3. Shopping centers. Tajrish is packed with modern malls like Tandi's Mall and Arg Shopping Center, offering luxury brands, cafes, and restaurants. It's a shopping hub for people living in northern Tehran. 4. Access to nature. From Tajrish, you can easily head to places like Darband and Tochal, which are popular for hiking and spending time in nature. These spots are perfect if you want to escape the busy city life. Tajrish is a mix of traditional and modern life. You can see locals bargaining in the bazaar right next to stylish young people hanging out in cafes. It's one of the more upscale areas of Tehran, so it's clean, well-maintained, and always buzzing with activity. Since it's a high-end neighborhood, prices for shopping, food, and housing are generally higher. Why visit Tajrish? If you're in Tehran, Tajrish is a great spot to experience the city's contrast, from its rich history and religious sites to modern malls and trendy cafes. Plus, it's a gateway to some of the best natural spots around Tehran. Tajrish Square can get super crowded, especially during weekends or holidays.
میخوای بریم قایم دیگه؟
به مسکن بدم آرومش
بقیه کارو باشه چشم
بخاری حال رو می‌کشی آی گذره من خودم اونو sightseeing
یا شاید سر من شو بدی
Thank you.